What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV video, and today you join me inside the BMW M4 Competition. Now this is the pre-LCI F82 generation, and as usual we're gonna go for a POV video. And I think with this one we're actually going to start hot because I actually want to start with launch control. So let me set up the car ideally for it to be able to engage launch mode, and I think we're good to go. So let's drive down into an ideal stretch. So I'm going to stop somewhere here and I'll try to engage launch control. Foot hard on the brake. Launch control active. As you saw, the car did bog a bit, but it launches so hard. Now BMW rates this car as 4 seconds flat, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, and it does feel like it. And I love how you can hear all the intake noises from the front there, which is quite insane and exhilarating. So this generation of M4 has a 3-liter twin-turbo straight 6, making 331 kilowatts, which is around 444 brake horsepower and 550 newton meters of torque. Now all that power goes to the rear wheels, and it's also mated to a 7-speed MDCT dual clutch transmission. Now this transmission is so aggressive, especially during gear changes. It just feels like it wants to break your neck in a way. A bit busy this side, so yeah, quite hard to actually exploit the performance from the car, but still try my best. Now the steering wheel feels quite a bit artificial, but you still get a decent amount of communication from the steering wheel. So the main difference between the competition and the non-competition cars is they've actually revised the rear suspension. The non-competition cars were very notorious for being quite snappy and unpredictable, especially around mid-corner. So at any moment the rear can just snap off and you can find yourself in a very sticky situation. So the rear suspension on the competition has been revised to try and improve on that, to help the cars feel a bit more stable around corners, more especially. So that's what you get with the competition, and of course you get the added power. You get the extra 331 kilowatts. I'm not sure what the standard one has in kilowatts, but I know in horsepower it's 425 horsepower versus the competition's 444 horsepower. Torque is the same at 550. I'm going to try and lower the windows a bit. The burbles from the exhaust just sounds so insane. Gearbox is so aggressive. It's a bit too windy now. But But don't get me wrong, this is still a very lethal car. It pulls so hard, and it's just insane how it revs all the way to like 7,000 RPM. But sure, a busy Saturday today. Bedford View traffic and all of that. Intake noise is so insane. Right now I'm just gonna try and drive a bit and stay quiet, because you actually need to focus a bit to drive one of these hard. Oh, that gearbox is so aggressive. A bit of a tunnel run, so we're going to try and lower the windows once again. Oh, potholes, potholes, potholes. Oh, potholes. But yeah, that is the BMW M4 Competition for you guys. I literally have nothing more to add about this car, but nonetheless, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV video. And until next time, that's cheers from me. One last pull.